Are you getting ready for the PTE academic exam in 2024? Then you have to watch this video. My name is Moni and I took the exam on the 18th of January this year and successfully achieved 90 in all 4 sections. In today's video, I'm very excited to share with you all some strategies and templates I used in the exam, especially in the speaking part. But before we begin, please support my channel by hitting the subscribe button below. I took my PTE exam in Sydney, Australia at Kensington Test Centre. And as usual, I picked an early afternoon slot, which is around 1 p.m. because that's when I feel my best. I also suggest you guys to choose a time that works best for you so that you can perform at your peak. In the exam, they provided Andrea headset, this one right here, the same as before, and I'll be using the same headset in today's video to show you some example and to practice some questions together. First of all, let's talk about the speaking speed in 2024. So we all know that speaking fluently is key, but does it mean that you have to speak very fast without any pauses? The answer is no. Of course, you can't speak too slowly, but if you speak too quickly, you might end up muddling your words or even dropping some ending sounds, which can affect your pronunciation. My recommendation is to still maintain your natural and steady pace at around 3 words per second or 180 words per minute. Let me show you this with a read aloud example. The headset that I'm using right now is Andrea headset, which is the same one as you will have in your exams. And before your speaking questions start, you have some time to test your microphone. So please make sure the sound is clear. You can also feel free to move your microphone, like maybe here or here, whichever you feel the best. If the sound is not clear, then I really recommend you to tell the exam invigilator so that they can they can give you another one. Okay. All right. So now let's practice one read aloud question. So I'm using PTE Magic Platform, and as usual, you have 30 to 40 seconds to prepare. It is quite normal to feel under pressure, and pressure can sometimes be a positive force. It can make us feel energized and take action to get results. But if the pressure becomes too much and we tip over into the feeling of being stressed, then it can have negative impact on us and our health. However, stress is a very subjective phenomenon and it lacks a precise medical definition. Okay, ready? It is quite normal to feel under pressure, and pressure can sometimes be a positive force. It can make us feel energized and take action to get results. But if the pressure becomes too much and we tip over into the feeling of being stressed, then it can have negative impact on us and our health. However, stress is a very subjective phenomenon and it lacks a precise medical definition. So we got 89 out of 90, 86 for content, 90 pronunciation, 90 fluency. Here you can listen to your recording again. It is quite normal to feel under pressure, and pressure can sometimes be a positive force. It can make us feel energized and take action to get results. But if the pressure becomes too much and we tip over into the feeling of being stressed, then it can have negative impact on us and our health. However, stress is a very subjective phenomenon and it lacks a precise medical definition. The speed was okay because it was within 27 seconds. As I mentioned before, you should speak for around 3 words per second. So normally with read aloud, if it's 2 lines, 2 rows, then it's around 18 seconds. If it's 3 rows like this, then should be around 24 to 27 seconds. If you notice, I also made some small pauses when I saw punctuation. It is quite normal to feel under pressure, and pressure can sometimes be a positive force. It can make us feel. Have you noticed that I made a pause here and a mini pause here? So it is quite normal to feel under pressure, and pressure can sometimes be a positive force. When you make small pauses like this, then you can catch your breaths and speak more fluently. In the real exam, you will not be sitting alone, but you will have other people doing this exam at the same time as you. So everyone will be speaking at the same time, and the exam room will be very noisy. So now let's do another, the same question, but with a background noise. I'll just pretend that I have someone sitting next to me doing read aloud question. Okay, we can just record an audio and then play the audio next while we practice read aloud. Let's do that. Okay. It is quite normal to feel under pressure, and pressure can sometimes be a positive force. It can make us feel energized and take action to get results. But if the pressure becomes too much and we tip over into the feeling of being stressed, then it can have negative impact on us and our health. However, stress is a very subjective phenomenon and it lacks a precise medical definition. Okay. So, yeah, the score is kind of like remains the same. Let's check why I missed some points on content. Okay. Missing words and under pressure. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's listen to the recording again to see if it was clear. It is quite normal to feel under pressure, and pressure can sometimes be a positive force. It can make us feel energized and take action to get results. But if the pressure becomes too much and we tip over into the feeling of being stressed, then it can have negative impact on us and our health. However, stress is a very subjective phenomenon and it lacks a precise medical definition. Hmm. Okay, so even though we could hear, the background sound, but overall, our voice is still clear. Like the recording of our read aloud question was still easy to understand. For the describe image task, I use a handy template which I'm about to share with you. So having a template is helpful because it can help you avoid any hesitations. Some students tend to pause and think of what they're going to say next, thus losing their fluency. While it is not really necessary for you to have a template in the exam, but using a structure can really help improve your fluency. All you need to do is insert the topic and important keywords. So here's the template I like to use, but feel free to create one that suits you. It really works for different images like graphs, charts, tables, and maps. You should aim to speak for 35 seconds. Let me show you how. Okay, let's try this question here. This is a bar chart. So instead of the word image, you can use the word bar chart or like line graph. Or if you don't want to, that's fine. Okay, let's have a look at the title, average rainfall by season, and some categories here. United Kingdom, Japan, Australia. The bar chart shows average rainfall by season. It provides information on different categories such as United Kingdom, Japan, and Australia. According to the image, the summer is the maximum, which can be seen at almost 300 millimeters average rainfall. On the other hand, winter is the minimum, which can be seen at around 100 millimeters average rainfall. In conclusion, the image shows average rainfall by season in United Kingdom, Japan, Australia, and in spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Okay, we got 14.4 out of 15, which is very good already.
my recording was around 35 seconds, like somewhere between 33 to 35 seconds. So now let's try a different type of image. Here we have line graph. Line graph. Yeah, of course you can use vocabulary like increase, decrease, go up, go down, skyrocket, but you can simplify it by using just one template and inserting important keywords. The line graph shows percent of university college students who do educational activities by hour of day on weekdays. It provides information on different categories such as full-time student and part-time students. According to the image, 12 p.m. is the maximum, which can be seen at almost 40%. On the other hand, 4 a.m. and 8 a.m. are the minimum, which can be seen at almost 5%. In conclusion, the image shows percent of college students who do educational activities by hour of day on weekdays for full-time students and part-time students. Okay, we got a maximum score, and I think our recording time was also around like 33 seconds. And remember, fluency is the key.
For the retail lecture task, this is the template that I like to use. In terms of number of keywords, if you need to get over 50 or over 65, then try to get at least 20 keywords. But if you need more than 79, then aim to get at least 30 keywords. Remember, this task also tests your listening skills, so content really matters. Now, let's try to practice one retail lecture question on our platform.
In today's lecture, I'm going to talk about changes in air pollution since the middle of the last century and what has created these changes. So, by the 1950s, air pollution was very visible, with frequent thick black fogs known as smogs in many large cities around the world. The main source of this pollution was from factories, and it caused severe health problems. For example, a particularly severe smog in London in 1952 caused over 4,000 deaths. Obviously, something had to be done, and in 1956 a Clean Air Act was introduced in Britain. This addressed the pollution from factories, and the smog soon disappeared. However, as you know, these days air pollution is still a big issue. The main difference between now and the 1950s is that you can't see it, it's invisible. Also, the main source of pollution now is from cars and lorries, and although these don't produce visible signs, this air pollution is still a significant risk to health. And one of the key factors in the rise of this type of pollution is that we have all become much more vehicle dependent. There are far more cars and lorries, trains and planes than in the 1950s, and this is now the main source of air pollution around the world.
Okay, so these are my keywords. Okay. The speaker discussed three main points about changes in air pollution. Firstly, he mentioned things like middle of the last century, 1950s black fogs or smoke in large cities. Secondly, he talked about factories' health problems, London in 1952, and Clean Air Act in Britain. Finally, he also mentioned being vehicle dependent, which is important to having more cars, lorries, and trains. So in conclusion, the lecture was about source of air pollution, which was very interesting. Okay, so content 5 out of 5, pronunciation 5 out of 5, but lost a little bit point in fluency, 3.7. Overall, we still got a really high score.
I really encourage you guys to practice more questions on our PTE Magic platform, and I'll be back with another video focusing more on the writing section, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck with your exam preparation. Bye!